Hi friends. So come on, let us discuss test number 13 today. So please note, if you see the first question, it's based on the direction. See, it is given that B is to the southwest of A, C is to the east of B and southeast of A, and D is to the north of C in line with B and A. Right. So whenever you read the question, first of all, see the connecting data. Of course, here the points are very much connected. So చూడండి, B గురించి ఇచ్చారు, C, A అన్ని కనెక్టింగ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. So B is to the southwest of A కి southwest. So please note, if I take A like this, southwest, this way, B is here. Okay, C is to the east of B and southeast of A, so like this. Okay, then D is to the north of C in line with B and A, E line లోట, అంటే where these two lines meet, like this. So D is to the north of C in line with B. In which direction of A is D located? So where is D located from A? So this is northeast direction. So first question, third option. Second one, see, when you read the entire data, it is given that they are talking about 3 points there. One is the people who passed, the boys who did not participate in the exam. The third one, the students who failed in the exam. Student, first let us talk about these two boys who passed in the exam. So it's given that 16 from the top, Ajay is 16 from the top and 29 from the bottom. So how many passed? 16 plus 29 minus 1. Understood? So 39, 45 minus 1, that is equal to 44. Did not participate. Did not participate. ఎంత పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయాలి? ఎంతమంది? 5. Now with regard to people who failed, చూడండి అక్కడ ఏమన్నారు? Who failed, they say Kiran is 6th from either of the ends అన్నారు. సో సింపుల్, ఇక్కడ చేసినట్టుగానే 6 plus 6 minus 1, that is equal to 11. So in that way 49, 50, 60. Okay, so if you take total boys in the class is 60. Second question, C option. Now third question, see, that is talking about seating arrangement. So total, if you see there, people who are seated in octagon. Okay, so please note, you can straight away take the data like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because 8 persons are there. Children, all are facing the center, right? So when people are facing the center, this is left, this is right. Okay, left is equal to clockwise, right is equal to anti-clockwise. Ramesh is sitting diagonally opposite Suresh, who is on Kiran's right. Who is on Kiran's right? And Suresh is on Kiran's right. Okay, diagonal opposite. So Ramesh, let us take Ramesh is here. Ramesh is sitting diagonally opposite to Suresh. Okay, Suresh is right of Kiran. So right, Kiran ke right, and Kiran ikundali. Right of Kiran. Okay, Ravi is next to Kiran. Next and itla తీసుకోవాలి, ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ సురేష్ ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి. సో Ravi is next to Kiran and opposite Venkat. Opposite Venkat, who is on Chandra's left. That means Venkat is on the left of Chandra, like here, Chandra. Okay, Gopal is not on Ramesh right. Right side Gopal led. You see the right, ikkada Gopal led. So Gopal should be here. Gopal is not on Ramesh right, but opposite Kamal. So Gopal is opposite Kamal. So please note, Kamal is here. Who is on Kamal's right? Kamal's right is Ravi. So answer is third question, first option. Now next question. So total 5 girls are there. They're standing in a row and they give you the data. See, P is on the right of Q. P is on the right of Q. So if I take Q like this, right. Okay, N is on the left of Q, like this. N is on the left of Q. See, N is on the left of Q but on the right of M. So N is on the left of Q but right on the right of M. Okay, P is on the left of O. P is on the left of O, like this. O ki left of P unnadu. So who is standing on the extreme right? Extreme right is O. So fourth question, third option. Right, now next one, see, total 5 persons are there. They've answered an exam. See the results, what they gave you. T was not the topper, right? So please note, this is a comparison model. We have to compare their performance by putting an arrow mark. That's better. See, Q was immediately followed by Q was immediately followed by P. Okay, but no one was there after P. So P ki tarvata evaru leru ante andaru paine undali inka. Understood? R was head of Q. So write like this. Okay, R was head of Q, but could not score as much as S and T. So definitely S and T scored much more than R. Okay, right. First point in the results, T was not the topper. See, T was not the topper. We know the total 5 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So S is the topper. S is the topper. In the question asked, who secured the second highest? Automatically we can say that T secured the second highest because T got more than R. So T is the answer. So answer is fifth question, fourth option. Right. Next, based on blood relation. Pointing a lady in a photograph, Shalini said, her father's only son's wife is my brother-in-law. చూడండి, హర్ ఫాదర్స్ ఓన్లీ సన్ అంటే హర్ ఫాదర్స్ ఓన్లీ సన్ హర్ బ్రదరే కదా, హర్ బ్రదర్స్ వైఫ్. సో సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే లైక్ దిస్, యూ టేక్ లేడీ ఇన్ ద ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్, దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ లేడీ ఇన్ ద ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్, హర్ ఫాదర్స్ ఓన్లీ సన్ అంటే హర్ బ్రదర్. ఓకే, సో సిబ్లింగ్ రిలేషన్షిప్. సో హర్ బ్రదర్స్ వైఫ్ ఈజ్ మై మదర్ ఇన్ లా. ఓకే, దిస్ లేడీ ఈజ్ మై మదర్ ఇన్ లా అని ఎవరు అంటున్నారు? శాలిని. సో శాలిని ఈజ్ హియర్ mother-in-law. Okay, so Shalini's husband itanu. So how is Shalini's husband related to this lady in the photograph? So ikkada nunchi brother's son ante nephew. So that person is nephew. So answer is sixth question, first option. Seventh one, say writers related to DIR GVA. చూడంగానే మనకి ఐడియా రావాలి. What they have done, first letter is coded with the last letter. See, A is coded with Z, B is coded with Y in that way. So in the same way, please note singer. So manam this kind of questions, please note, we have to do it faster. Chudangani cheppali manam. See, yes anagane H I R N M G T E V R I. So answer is HRM TVI. So seventh question, B option. So please note, this kind of questions are very common in CGL. So there's a reason you please make it practice how to remember that AZ, BY. So BY and a boy, CX and a Cinemax or Climax in that way. Right. Right. Now come to, so seventh question, answer is second option. Okay. Eighth question. In a certain code, gray is equal to 53. Right. So what they have done? Gray is equal to 53. See, first of all, when they give you like this, మీరు వాల్యూ నార్మల్గా తీసుకుని ట్రై చేయండి. See, this is 7 as per the alphabetical placement. This is equal to 18, this is 5, this is 25. But you see, 30, 48, 55 వచ్చింది, మ్యాచ్ కావట్లేదు. సో ఇట్లా మ్యాచ్ కానప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే టేక్ ద రివర్స్ వాల్యూ. ఓకే, సెకండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఇలా ట్రై చేయండి, ఇలా కాకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్ ట్రై చేయండి, సెకండ్ మెథడ్. సో ప్లీజ్ నోట్, రివర్స్ ఎట్లా చేయాలి? సింపుల్, వెన్ యూ యాడ్ both the things, okay, the value of a letter from the left, the value of a letter from the right, it should be 27. Okay, because as per number ranking model. So in this way, this is 20, this is 9, this is 22, this is 2. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు 20, 44, ఓకే, 44, 53, 55, ఓకే, 20, ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ 2. సో 22, 24, 44 plus 9, 53. Right. In the same way, you take this sit, SIT, sit. Okay, normal value is 19, this is 9, this is 20. So 7, this is 8, this is 18. Okay, so 18 plus 15, 33. So in the same way, please note 33. So apply the same formula now. So SING, sing. Okay, so this value, actually this is 19. So you have to take how much? Say 19, 8. Okay, so this is 9, this is 18, this is 14, this is 13, this is 7, this is 20. So when you add all the things, answer is 59. Okay, answer is 59. Right. Ninth question. The number of letters missed is not uniform. Okay, is not uniform. Which of the following series observes the rule? Observes the rule. So ekkada uniform ga ledu anedi mana answer. మీరు సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ తీసుకోండి, PRTVXZ చూడంగానే చెప్పచ్చు +2 సి P16 R18 in that way. You take third option, DGJMPS, they have taken +3 see 4 + 3 7 G +3 J in that way. So అక్కడ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది. ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ తీసుకోండి, BFJNRV, అక్కడ కూడా ఆర్డర్ ఉంది బికాస్ +4. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ తీసుకోండి, MORTXY, సి దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఆర్డర్, MORTXY చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇట్స్ నాట్ యూనిఫామ్. సి దిస్ ఈస్ 13, దిస్ ఈస్ 15, దిస్ ఈస్ 18, సి +2 +3, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ చూడండి 20 +2, దిస్ ఈస్ 24, నాట్ మ్యాచింగ్. సో ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ యూనిఫామ్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 9th క్వశ్చన్, ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. Next, 10th one. In the following question, number of letters skipped in between adjacent letters in the series is increased by 1. So the letters that are skipped between the letters increasing by 1. Which of the following observes the rule? Right. Come on, first option తీసుకోండి, BFI. ఫస్ట్ 3 letters చూడంగా మనకి ఐడియా వస్తుంది. చూడండి ఇక్కడ this is 2, this is 6, this is 9. ఇక్కడ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. See +4 +3 డిక్రీసింగ్ అవుతుంది, మనకి ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ రూల్డ్ అవుట్. టేక్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్, EINTA. See it's clear. See this is 5, this is 9, this is 14, this is 20. ఏ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎట్లా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి, 20 యాజ్ పర్ ది ఆర్డర్ 27 అనుకోవాలి మనం. నౌ see this is +4 +5 +6 +7 increasing order. So answer is 10th question, second option. Right, now come to word classification. See in exams, basically if you see CGL exams, basically they're going to ask you a couple of questions on word analogy, word classification in this way. So very important. Now see 11th question, they gave you goiter, beriberi, scurvy, rickets. See all the 2 3 4, you take beriberi, scurvy, rickets, they're all deficiency, vitamin deficiency, whereas goiter is thyroid concern to thyroid, iodine deficiency. So answer is, that is odd one out because remaining any vitamin deficiency. So 11th first option. Now 12th చూడండి అక్కడ lamb, goat, eve, ram. See eve, ram, lamb. Young sheep is lamb. So మీరు eve తీసుకుంటే female sheep, ram is male sheep. So in this way lamb, eve, ram come under one category. Goat is not matching. So 12th question, second option. 12th question, second option. Right. Now come to 13 to 16. See, that's based on the letter series. Now see, look at 13th question. They gave you A, C, B, C, E, F, E. Now see, when you look at here, see this is, it is not a repetitive series, it is a progressive series because you see they're adding the letters, new letters. So we have to see how the letters are being added. Now see logically here, alternate sorry, A, B, C, there is some logic, A, B, C, see C, D, E, F. So in that way, please note, they have taken like this alternate letters. Okay, A, B, C, this is D, this is E. Okay, C, now it should be D, this is E, this is F. Understood? So in that way, answer is DDE. 13th DDE. So 13th first option. Right. 14. So 14 also based on the same letters. Come on, let us work it out. BD, CE, DF, E, G, H. See, A +2. Here also B +2, C +2. You see, E +2, but after that next letter is given +1. So this logic you have to remember. Apply the same logic now. So ACD, BDE, CEF, DFG. Understood? So answer is DEFG. So of course you have to always go based on the options, but the logic is very clear here. So 14th, fourth option. Now 15th, see that is number series. See how they gave you. Say 111, 242, 393, 416, 4. So normally, first of all, whenever you look at number series or number, any question concerned numbers, first of all see whether it's based on squares or cubes in that way. If that is not the case, see the difference చూడండి. అట్లా కూడా రానప్పుడు మనము ఈ నెంబర్స్తో అంటే ఈ డిజిట్స్తో ఏం చేశారో చూడాలి. ఓకే, అంటే అన్మీనింగ్ఫుల్ లాజిక్. వాట్ ఇస్ అన్మీనింగ్ఫుల్ లాజిక్? ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఎలా చేశారు. 1 1s 1, see 2 2s 4, 3 3s 9, 4 4s 16. In the same way, 5 5s 25. So please note, this kind of unmeaningful series are very common in CGL. Understood? So normal మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, స్క్వేర్స్ చూసుకుంటాం, అట్లా డిఫరెన్స్ చూస్తాం. అట్లా రానప్పుడు మీరు ఇట్లా ఈ డిజిట్స్తో వాళ్ళు ఎలా చేసారో చూడాలి. ప్రాబబ్లీ మల్టిప్లైంగ్ విత్ ద డిజిట్స్ ఆర్ యాడింగ్ ద డిజిట్స్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ డిజిట్స్. సో దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ కామన్ ఇన్ CGL. Right. So answer is 5 2 5 5. Okay. So answer is 15th second option. Right. Now see 16th question. Yeah, see, it has got a meaningful series. It's progressing. Now when you look at that, see, it started with 8. 449, such a big number. So definitely we have to see they might have gone for multiplication. If the series gradually increasing, probably addition. When the series rapidly increasing, probably they might have gone for multiplication. So manam chudali etla chesara ani. Because you see, they are not cubes or squares. See what they have done. See, 8 4s are 8 4s are 32. So into like this, 32 minus 3. In the same way, see here, into 4. See, 116 minus 3. So simple logic. Into 4 minus 3. In the same way, into 4 minus 3. So 449 kada 450 anukondi. So in this way తీసుకుంటే, if you take that one, so that is see 1796 minus 3. 1793. So 16th question, fourth option. Now 17. Which consonant among the given responses is common if three meaningful words are made from the given letters? చూడండి, ఆ ఇచ్చిన లెటర్స్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు అక్కడ? They gave you like this. Okay, see the letters they gave you like this: C R T Y F D. Okay, so by using these letters, if you are able to make three meaningful words, we have to find out which of the consonants is common in all the words. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, CRY, okay, C cry, FRY. So please note, CRY cry, or FRY fry, or TRY try, or if I take DRY dry. Okay, so R is common, Y is common. So మీరు ఆప్షన్ తీసుకోండి. They gave you YTFD. So Y is common in all the things. Of course, R is also common. But based on the options, answer is A, 17A. 18. Right. 18th question, you see, we have to find out based on the equation given, what is the answer there. See how they are given. 6 star 5 is equal to 91. Right, okay. Then 8 star 7 is equal to 169. So what they have done. 10 star 7 is equal to 657. Now apply we have to find out the common logic and apply the answer. Right, see what they have done. See, this is 6 square. So 6 square is 36. 5 square, that is 25. 61, okay. 61 plus 6 5s are 30. That is equal to 91. Understood? In the same way here, 64 plus 49 plus 8 7s are 56. That is equal to 169. In the same way here, see, 10 squares 100, 7 squares 49, 10 7s are తీసుకుంటే ఎంత? 70. But please note, if you take like this, what you got here? 219. So logic is not matching. Here we matched, here we got it, but here it's not matching here. So please note what they have done. They have taken the difference. 6 minus 5, difference is 1. So there's a reason 6 5s are 30, ఇవి యాడ్ చేశారు. ఇక్కడ కూడా difference ఎంత? 1. But please note here the difference is 3. So what they have done, 219 into 3. ఇక్కడ 91 into 1. 169 into 1. But here the difference is 3. So 219 into 3, that is equal to 657. In that way we have got 657. Now of course here also difference is 1. So 11 squares 121. 10 squares 100, okay, plus 110. So that is equal to 331, because difference is only 1. Okay, so answer is, if you take 18th question, first option. Right. Now take 19th question. See, 1920, that is based on the number classification, finding the odd one out. Finding the odd one out. See, 19, what they gave you? 7 16 249. See, 7 16 249. Okay, in the same way 4 13 165. Okay, 6 15 219. 3 14 193. So generally, if you look at like this, see, we have to see whether they've taken squares or cubes in that way. See 16, you see here 13, 15. When look at that, see 16, 256. 16 squares, 256. See 249 plus 7, 256. 13 squares, 169. 165 plus 4. 15 squares, 225. See 6 plus 2, 9. 14 squares, 196. See, in all the cases matching. Then what is the answer? Because we have to find out which one is odd one. So please note what they have done. They have applied the same logic, but added another logic here. See 1 plus 6, 7. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 5, 6. But here it's not matching. 1 plus 4, 5. It's not matching. So this is the answer. So answer is fourth option. Because when I say odd one out, that means we have to find out what is a common property among out of 4, what is a common property for the 3. So the common property is this. It's not matching. So in that way, that is the answer. Next, 20th question, you see, 500, 413, 112, 433. So when you look at here, 500, 413, 112, they're all composite numbers. 433 is a prime number. So answer is 20th, fourth option. 20th, fourth option. Right. 21. See, that is missing number. Now see how they gave you 5, 6, 7, 65, 4, 3, 2, 20. Okay, 9, 4, 45. Now see, such a big number. So when such a big number is there, we can have a logic that probably they might have worked out column wise. So operation may be column wise. See, 6 plus 7, 13. 13 5 is 65. So first of all, they've added these two. 6 plus 7, 13, 13 5 is. In the same way, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 4 is 20. So in the same way, if I want to get 45, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 enta 5. 5 9 is 45. Understood? 45. So answer is 1. So 21st question, fourth option. Now 22nd. See, that's based on clocks. At what time between 7 and 8 o'clock will the hands of a clock be in the same straight line but not together? So 7 and 8 o'clock, the angle covered by the hour hand is more. So there is a reason, please note. Opposite, so definitely the angle between the minute and hour hand is 180 degrees. Okay, so theta is equal to 30h minus 11 by 2 minutes. So h is equal to 7. So 180 is equal to 210 minus 11 by 2 minutes. So this value goes there, so it becomes minus 30. Understood? So minus minus gets cancelled. That is equal to 11 by 2. Or we can say 60 by 11 or 5 by 11. 5 by 11 minutes past 7. Okay? Of course, there is also a simple shortcut. See, whenever they give you like this, they say 7 and 8. Now see, what is the opposite number of 7? 1. So take 1 into, you remember this number, 1 into 5 by 11. Okay, 5, 1 5 is 5. In the same way, 1 5 is 5, 11. So that is 5 by 11 past 7. So whenever they give you a question like this, ఏదైతే టైం ఇచ్చారో ఓకే ఆ టైం ఆ నెంబర్ ఓకే 7 and 8 అన్నారు కదా అండి 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock ఆపోజిట్ నెంబర్ తీసుకోండి, దట్ ఈస్ 1. సో ఈ 5 11 గుర్తుంచుకోండి. 1 into 5 by 11. సో 5 by 11. సపోజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ 8 o'clock ఉందనుకోండి, 8కి ఆపోజిట్ 2. సో 2 into 5 by 11. అట్లా రైట్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 22, fourth option. 23rd. Yeah, see that is based on schedule. Okay. Hari remembers that his father's birthday is between 13 and 16. Ante after 13 and before 16. So then what it would be or 14 or 15. Sister remembers that after 14 and before 18. So that is 15 or 16 or 17. So on which day is their father's birthday? Which both agree. See, mutually both agree on 15th. So answer is 15. So 23rd, second option. No, see 24, 25, that's based on word analogy. Haphazard is to organize. See, they have taken antonyms, opposite. Opposite of haphazard is organized. In the same way, sly ante conservative, closed. Then opposite ante open. So answer is 24, second option. 25th question, conservative. See, again, they've taken opposites. Conservative, then opposite, liberal. Liberal గా ఉండడం. ఓకే, ఇఫిమెరల్ అంటే ట్రాన్సియంట్, టెంపరీ. సో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ ఎటర్నల్. ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్లో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ఎటర్నల్. సో 24th క్వశ్చన్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్, 25th క్వశ్చన్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్. ఓకే, సో basically please note, if you see the CGL, generally more number of questions are expected in analogy, series and classification, as well as on seating arrangement. These are the areas on which we have to focus. Okay, I thank you very much.